Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the live transcribe application and how to turn it on. First of all, where to look for live transcribe application. We have to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options, and here in hearing enhancements at the top we have live transcribe. Here are a few options. You can see what does it do. It just transcribe whatever is being said. Of course, you need to enable a microphone for that. Let's say if it works. It does. Hello. Yes, it's working. And as you can see, here it is. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.